In this particular video, I'm going to deal with the links to social networking sites. The CMS is integrated with Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn, so you have the opportunity with every item of content you're building to actually post back information in a link form and possibly an image to the person's Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn entity that want to tweet or want to link to. So you need to do this through the CMS. I'm logged in and I've navigated into the applied research area and in the project section, but it would be exactly the same for any item of content. I'm just going to pick one example, this particular project here, and as I say, it's the same for every item of content. If you scroll down, you'll see social networking fields here in a collapsed state. So as I click to expand, you'll actually see the like title and like description here that should be populated as you're building the item of content. And typically the link would contain the page title, so as you're building up the content you should, as a matter of course, copy down the page title, and of course you can add in any other information that you want to post through. I'm just going to put the organisation in here and also the fact that it is a project. So when somebody likes this particular item of content, this is actually passed back with a description. And here you can see I have the opportunity of including a image with that. So when they click like, it's going to post back the link, but it's also going to log1. Just find the image that I want, log1, and I'm going to include that image as well, which I've just uploaded, and there it is. So this would post back this as a like title, a like description and an image. And again, as a matter of course, I should click the Show LinkedIn plugin and then update the content. As I said earlier, it is the same for any item of content. If I click into another, you'll see as you scroll down, social networking fields, and these fields should be populated, and if required you can add an image as well and click on the LinkedIn plugin. When you've done that, you need to update to submit that to the database. But as a matter of course, a tip and trick, as you're building up the item of content, always a good idea to copy the page title down into those areas. I'll just do that now, and you can, again as demonstrated, add in of course quite literally what you think is appropriate. And I update, and that is committed now to the database.